In today's video, you'll get a countdown of the top 5 tips to make your text easier and a lot more fun to read for your audience. Hi, I'm Caroline. Welcome to the channel where you get tips to succeed with your marketing. I've been a copywriter and marketing consultant for over a decade, but enough about me. Let's get started with the countdown. Number 5 is to write like you talk. So it's easy to accidentally sound too formal when we write because that's what we learned in school, right? But your old English teacher isn't checking up on you, and writing for marketing purposes is not always about using big words and sounding hyper intellectual. In fact, it's pretty much the opposite. It's about creating a connection with your reader, and if you use a fun and casual tone in your writing, you'll come across so much more relatable. Number 4 is to use first and second person language instead of third person, meaning you use phrases like you and I instead of he, she, or they, and that way your text will be a lot more personal. Number 3 is to write short paragraphs. So each paragraph should take up no more than 5 sentences. So when you divide your text into paragraphs, it's more scannable and easy to read. And speaking of making a text scannable, here is tip number 2. Use subheadlines, bullet points, and emojis. See, these help the reader get a quick overview of the content. Okay, so tip number 1, it is to read your copy out loud. Because when you read your copy out loud to yourself, you can really hear if it sounds natural and has a good flow to it. Alright, if you got value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I share marketing and copywriting tips every week. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.